Would you like to feel my chicken breast? Hello.
Give me a buddy.
We're garbage.
We're going. How do I? Oh, baby. Give me a buddy. Pee-pee.
We have a new friend.
Pee-pee. Pee-pee. Oh, there's to play with.
Right? Right? Am I right? No. No.
Yeah.
Turn your head to the side and cough.
Let's go get some chicken.
Now what you are about to see is completely permanent.
Chicken breast, breast. Got some chicken breast, breast. Chicken breast. Okay, let's sit down.
Chicken breast, chicken breast.
My chicken breast, my Tyson chicken breast. Tyson chicken breast. Chicken breast, breast. Yeah. They're so good, chicken breast. They're so frozen cold.
Yeah, they're freezing cold chicken breast.
So much for our...
That's exactly how it was.
Oh, LFMA.
H-A-H-A.
L-M-A. No.
L-M-F-A-O.
Yes.
There you go.
Okay, now.
Yes, Kitty. Ready? We're gonna do roller coaster. Put your hands in the air. You ready? Just like woo! Just like woo! Another one.
I can't feel my leg.
Forever. Well, I guess that's all. That's all, folks. We will check you guys later. Don't forget, we're Lovethisshyt with Y, not an I, just because we're cool. Alright.